Hello, I was happy to find this little box on my snowy porch today. Not. My mailman is an idiot, and that's all I have to say for today. Anyway, let's open the ArtSnacks box for the month of February. It's very light, so I'm really wondering what's in there. I hope there's something in there. Sweethearts. Go to my kids because I really don't like these. Blah. Oh, that's cute. And the little ArtSnacks sticker with little hearts on it. Little paper sample. I'm gonna say Canson. I don't know if it says anything here. Oh, Fabriano Artistico watercolor paper. Huh. Interesting. So if there's watercolor paper, there must be some watercolors. L'Aquarelle. French Artists watercolor. We got a white and a lemon yellow. Titanium white. Okay. Oh, Sennelier. Oh, wow. Wow. Good brand. Then, Raphaël precision brush. It's a tiny one. Travel brush. It has a chisel end to scratch things. So tiny. It's really cute. It's a number 2 flat. Oh, sweet. And then a Micron pen, Pigma Micron PN. What's PN? I have the whole set. I don't. This might be. Oh, that's the ones with the plastic tips. Oh, fun. Nice, and it looks like some kind of blue. Let's see. Doesn't say what color, but it is a blue of some sort. Sweet! And a Faber-Castell Goldfaber. So it looks like a graphite pencil, and it's a 2H. I've never seen these before either. Fun! Ooh, these are nice. Can't wait to do something with them. Well, let me tell you how much I struggled with this brush. I was expecting something that holds a lot of water and all, and maybe it does, I don't know, I couldn't figure it out. It felt like a bristle brush. I constantly had to reload it, so I don't know. I'll give it another shot, but right now I'm not a very big fan of it, so maybe it's me misusing it. Who knows? The paints are beautiful, but it's hard to really get an idea with just a yellow and a white. The yellow is very vibrant, it's very beautiful. The white can be very opaque, almost like gouache, so it's great for highlights. And if you mix it with the yellow, you get some kind of opaque pale yellow, which can be cool. As far as the Pigma Micron is concerned, it was a bit awkward for me to use it. I like those plastic tips, but I'm not used to using them. So having a white and a yellow to do some artwork, was not quite sure what to do, so I went on the Sketchy app and I found this portrait that was perfect. But I ended up using the Micron pen as watercolor, which was pretty cool, and I knew that mixing it with the yellow I would get some kind of greenish tint, which was perfect for my portrait. So anyway, it was a fun challenge. I liked this box. I just had a really hard time with the brush. I was struggling the whole time. So I feel like if I had caved in and ended up using a brush that was more appropriate, I would have done a better job. But I think it turned out pretty good anyway. So that's it for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.